Okay, y'all can come along with me while I make one of my favorite high protein meals. I started this when I was doing keto, and it's basically these delicious chicken thighs. I'm using free range. They're going to be marinated in a creamy sauce with onion, garlic, and all the good things. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get all this fat cut off of here and get them ready to go in the pan. I also want to add that the main reason I cut the fat off the thighs is I don't like biting into any kind of gristle or fat. You could leave it on if you wanted to, but this is going to be savory enough without it. Okay, first thing we do is we get plenty of butter going in the pan, okay? Real butter, not margarine. We're going to do that, and we're going to place the thighs in there. We're going to attempt to brown them first on the outside. That's step one before we go and add anything else in there. So I'm going to try to get them evenly distributed throughout the pan where they're all getting equal parts of butter, and I'm going to brown them up. Okay, so they don't have to be cooked completely all the way through, but I'm going to make sure they're about 75% cooked, because then they're gonna marinate after they're all browned. I remove them, and then you'll see what I do next, and then I'm gonna put them back, and they get to marinate in the sauce for a while. So, be right back. Lots of salt, lots of pepper as we go, as we're flipping them over. Add butter as needed. Okay, we are about 75% cooked. We are going to go ahead and move these over. Why is that open? Onto the plate. We're leaving the drippings and the little pieces of chicken in there, and that is what I'm going to brown up the onions and the garlic on. Okay, so we're going to leave all that in there. Next up, onions and garlic. Actually, it's supposed to be diced. It ended up a little bit more shredded than that, but that's okay. A little bit of meal prep. Maybe the consistency's not quite where I want it to be, but we're gonna go with it. And then we're gonna add some minced garlic as well. I like a lot of garlic. Now I'm going to get my spatula, and I'm going to brown all this up. We can continue to add some butter if we need to, but generally we just want to get these onions and garlic kind of browned up. Okay, for my side, I absolutely love this brand here, Glory Seasoned Southern Style Green Beans. I don't know why, but the seasoning here, it says it's slow simmered with onions, garlic, and spices in a savory broth. So I'm gonna get this going in a pan too. Okay, so here I'm just browning up the garlic and the onion, getting it nice and soft. I have put the chicken thighs back on top of the softened onion and garlic, and now they're going to be ready for the cream. I pour about half of that pint on top of those chicken thighs and let them marinate. Okay, so we are about ready. They've been marinating in the creamy sauce with the onions and the garlic and the cream. So I'm just putting a little more sauce on top, and they're ready to go. Here it is all plated up. We have a high protein, low carb meal. Perfect for the keto, low carb lifestyle. Plenty of protein in this chicken thigh too. If you want to know more, sometimes I do cooking recipe videos and sometimes I do exercise videos. I'd love it if you want to like and subscribe. That'd be fantastic.